What up, everybody? Happy New Year. Hope you all had a fantastic 2023. Hope 2024 is even better. Tonight we're gonna make a few bracelets. We got 2 to knock out because I don't want to get these done because I didn't procrastinate too much. For Issac and Melvin. Issac wants a black original with brass 9mm casings. Amazon order. Really appreciate you if you ain't rock with me over on Amazon. Please do. You know what I'm saying? But you never know. What is y'all plans for going into 2024? Me, it's just, continue to press forward and grow, be the best version of myself I can be. You know what I'm saying? But it's a lot of stuff going on. I want everybody to be safe. I appreciate the entire Burr Army, everybody who's joined, new, old, thinking about it, but I always just like to get quiet at that point for y'all. I know it could be annoying, y'all won't hear that. But yeah, new, old, thinking about it. Don't really too much care about it, but they dig the process. You know what I'm saying? So all my Second Amendment people. This is the most grueling part, I promise you. But throughout the years, I perfected this. Alright, so it's one of the easier parts. Everybody, y'all see the latest first of all, let's say RP Mr. Gaston Glock, founder of the Glock handgun, my all-time favorite. I own 3. I'm about to get a 4th, which would be the Glock 44. I want that Glock 44 so bad, just because I want like a little 22, something just like a little range toy just to plink with. So you can't go wrong with that, man. So RP Mr. Gaston Glock. No Glock disrespect will be tolerated on this channel, just like I wrote on Instagram. You know what I'm saying? In this post, anything, to the legend himself, Mr. Gaston. But yeah, man. So what is some rifles? I know Glock hinted towards like there was like some secret picture taken of like a Glock style AR. I will buy it. I'm a Glock fanboy. I can't lie. I will buy it. But what's some new rifles, man? I've been wanting to I think PSA, the people who make the dagger, they got like a 110 clone that I've been seeing. It's been out of stock for a while too, because it's gotta be in tan. But I think it might be my next pickup. We'll see. But 2024, I feel like it's gonna be a very fantastic year. Guys, so time consuming. My main thing is I like to match the casings. I think it's just one thing. Eventually, I want to get to the point where the head stamps, where it's a Blazer, SP, Spear, Federal, anything like that, I want to say Bear Arms. So if I can eventually get my own head stamp, that'd be dope. But yeah, man, rifles. I need a rifle. I still want a SCAR, but that 110 is just looking marvelous to me. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what it is. Maybe because I just want like a dedicated like long range rifle. I mean, I got that G36 clone, marksman style clone, which is like the SL8 or something like that you can convert. I always forget the acronym for that rifle. It was a quick pickup from Knob Creek. It was in that used section. I'm like, I gotta have it. You know what I mean? It's the closest I'm gonna get to a G36 ever. But yeah, man, I need a new rifle. So I think at 110, like that's the SAS, the M110 SAS would be the most recent or next pickup for me for 2024. Plus, it's not a bit expensive. It's like $1,100. It's more affordable than a SCAR. That's for a fact. So, Issac, we are just about done with your 8-inch pause. Black original with brass 9mm cases. There you go, baby. As always, enjoy it. It's beautiful. You can never go wrong with the original. Black with brass 9mm cases, the one that started it all. And then next up, Mr. Melvin. We have, you wanted a Liberty, but you wanted brass 40 cal cases on this. I shall oblige. American flag theme. I also got a new color. I got a new color I need to show y'all. I don't know what to name it just yet. I thought about doing a poll and letting you guys name it for me, because I just think it's like the name that the color that the company that I ordered my shit from is just they called it For America. They call it For America. It's to me, it looks like some fireworks. It's a dope color. I like it. It's like some fireworks can be like 4th of July, but I just gotta find. I already got a bracelet called Independence, so I ain't gonna call it that. But people ask me why I do that, just because I guess the wire is already coiled. Get it straight. It's easy to get inside the bracelet. Like I said, I'm not too much worried about. I'm not worried about people who say, hey, you showing people how to make your bracelet. It's patented. I don't care. Make it if you want to. And then a cease and desist will come. You know what I mean? Let a small business owner do his thing, you know what I'm saying, for the community. But I ain't had no issues. I only had one issue. I'll tell y'all that story when we get a couple more people around, you know. Just it's a doozy. But yeah, man, new color. It's called For America right now, but I want to change that because I'm not really a fan of the actual name from the company. I think they're running out of ideas, but whatever. Ain't nothing wrong. You can change it. I just like it's just certain things about these specialty tire colors is like when they're out, they're out. You know what I mean? So it's like I can make it like a version 1 or 1 off, but usually when they run out of that color, that's the end of it. That's the end of it. So it's 40s. I need 40. That's 45. Brass 40. I have so many bullet cases. It's ridiculous, y'all. Let me see. If I don't get a match from these, we got a problem. All this handful. We got some Winchesters, matching one. They look good. They're not stained up. Nope. Perfect. Brass 40. Look at it. I hate my life. Brass 40, nice, polished up, super slick still. So that's gonna be fun. Freshly oiled, it seems, but I never had a problem with this company. Right on. Beautiful. I love 40. 40 just fits these bracelets perfectly. It's like 40s and certain 9s or certain cord, depending on how they're made, they fit it like this. It's like the perfect snug fit. Like there's no spacey, no gaps, no air. It's like it was meant to be together. You know what I'm saying? So super dope. This is for you, Mr. Melvin. That Liberty 8-inch brass 40 cal. Give it that initial bend. Dope. I've been doing this for 10 years now, dude. Well, 2014. Yeah, we're doing 10 years now. 2014 or 2024. Next month. Bam. Perfect. Beautiful. Straighten it out. I love this part. All right. There we go. Get that Liberty, that brass 40 cal coming straight to you, Mr. Melvin. All right. Off Etsy store. If y'all ain't seen it, check my Etsy as well. We on to the next, but as always, man, everybody in the Burr Army, I humbly appreciate you guys. Look forward to more videos. Like I said, my plan for this is to make every bracelet a video. I'm sorry if it becomes repetitive or anything like that. This is not to be like, it's not no money grab. It's not nothing like that. I just want to document every bracelet just because it's fun. Why not? Record it, throw it up on YouTube, get some more eyes on it, get some more people to join the Burr Army if need be, and you know, just have some fun. Some people just like to see their stuff be made. So Melvin, Isaac, both of you guys, Florida, Connecticut, they on their way to you. As always, it's your boy Sean from Burr Arms Bracelets signing out. All right. Happy New Year.